Assalamu alaikum, dear students. ASF Public School and College Online Support Program Preschool Class Prep Subject Computer Textbook Oxford Computer Base and Introduction to Computer Lesson 8 we will do page number 22 and 23. Chapter Parts of the Computer. Teacher, I am Ms. Fazazia from ASF Preschool Karachi. Today we are going to learn about LCM chapter Parts of the Computer. Before starting our lesson, let's do a recap of previous topics. As you know that a computer has 4 main parts. Read with me. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and other parts which can be attached to it from the different function like printer. This is also the part of computer. Every student will be learn these parts of the computer. Okay, now again read with me parts of computer. This is a monitor. We can see the work we are doing on a monitor. This is monitor. Look like a big screen. This is a CPU. The CPU is shaped like a cuboid. This is a keyboard. It has buttons called keys on the keyboard. This is a mouse. A mouse has 2 buttons and we press or click the buttons to the computer to do something. And this is a printer. Printer is used for printing. Very good. Now students, open your computer book on page number 22. This is your page number 22. Okay. Label the different parts of the computer. You can see the picture of computer. Okay. You will write the names parts of computer. First, you will write monitor. This is monitor. So you will write the spelling of monitor. Read with me. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Next, this is CPU. So you will write CPU. And this is also called system unit as I told you. Okay. So now you will write CPU. Then next, keyboard. This is a keyboard. Okay. Keyboard spelling K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board. Keyboard. This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. And this is printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. Next, complete the sentences. We can see the work we are doing on a dash. We are doing on a monitor. You will write on the underline monitor. Next, a keyboard has buttons called. Can you tell me a keyboard has buttons called? Keys. Next, we dash the buttons of a mouse to do something. We click the buttons of a mouse to do something. Page. Come on the next page on page number 23. Sort the letters to find the names of different computer parts. You have the different parts of computer names. Okay. This is the this name spellings in the shuffle. Okay, so you will write correct spelling. This is monitor, MONITOR, monitor. Next, can you guess what spelling is this? Which part is spelling of this? Mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Next, SYSTEM, system. UNIT, system unit. Next, keyboard. KEY, key. BOARD, board. Keyboard. Okay, students, I hope you understand very well. You will do these work on page number 22 and 23. Okay, and students, you will learn these spellings of monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse and printer. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.